Guys, these are some of the compact SUVs below 1.8 million Kenya shillings here at Jamhuri Car Bazar. This Toyota Rush, this green in color, Rush green in color. This for 2007 model, going for 945. $945,000 Kenya shillings, guys. 945,000 Kenya shillings. Let's look at the interior. Very nice. So these are some of the compact SUVs, guys, here at Jamhuri Car Bazar below 1.8 million Kenya shillings, guys. This goes for 945,000 Kenya shillings. So that's some of the best SUVs here. Amazing SUVs here at Jamhuri Car Bazar. Negotiable price, guys. Very nice. Very nice. So the number is on the screen. If you're interested in this unit, just feel free. Guys, this is another Toyota Rush. This Toyota Rush, guys, you can see. This is a Rush F001. So this one seems, this for 2015 model. 2015, 1500cc, engine capacity, it's petrol, going for 1.7 million Kenya shillings. 1.7 million Kenya shillings. Unatoka? Chani muleke haraka haraka. So guys, this is the interior look. Some of the SUVs here below 1.8 million Kenyan shillings. So that's this. You can sit as a spare wheel at the back. These are 2015 model, guys. 2015 model. Very nice, very nice. Look at these fabric seats, very nice. Going for 1.7 million Kenya shillings. Negotiable price. Let me show you the interior. The engine. Very nice, very nice, very nice, guys. Guys, these are some of the compact SUVs here at Jamhuri Car Bazar, guys, below 1.8 million Kenya shillings. These are Honda Vezel. These are Honda Vezel, guys. Honda Vezel is for 2015 model. 1500cc engine capacity. It's non-hybrid, guys, going for 1.78 million Kenya shillings. Non-hybrids are not easy to find. So you can see that's the rear view of this Honda Vezel. This non-hybrid, if you're looking for non-hybrid Honda Vezel, there we go. Let's look at the interior. Very clean unit. Very nice, guys. This non-hybrid. Wow, wow, wow. Going for 1.78 million Kenya shillings. If you are interested in this, guys, the number is on the screen. Just feel free to contact me. It has eco mode, traction control. Very nice, guys. Yeah. Very nice. So got this Mitsubishi, this RVR. This is for 2012 model. 2012 model. This is an 1800cc engine capacity. 1800cc engine capacity. Let me show you the details first. Going for 1.18 million Kenya shillings. These are some of the SUVs below 1.8 million Kenya shillings. Let me show you the rear view first. Not even the rear view, let me show you the interior of this. This is the interior look of this unit. Very nice, very nice. This below 1.8 million Kenya shillings. Mileage is 140,000 kilometers. Very nice, very nice. So guys, this is a Toyota Vanguard. This for 2008 model. 2008 model, 2400cc engine capacity, going for 1.4 million Kenya shillings. These are some of the SUVs, guys, below 1.8 million Kenya shillings. Some of the SUVs below 1.8 million Kenya shillings, guys. These are Vanguard. So if you're looking for an SUV below 1.8 million, hello, sorry, naweza onyesha nani? But it's dark. Okay. Very nice. This goes for 1.4 million Kenya shillings, guys. 1.4. So guys, this Toyota RAV4. This RAV4. There are some of the SUVs here below 1.8 million Kenya shillings. You can see. This goes for 1.08 million Kenya shillings. Negotiable price. This the owner is selling it. So if you're interested in this, just contact me, the number on the screen, to purchase this unit here, guys. Very nice. This Toyota RAV4, you can see it as a that's the rear view, and it has a spare wheel here. This is a spare wheel. Wow. That's the interior look. Very clean, guys. These are some of the units here. SUVs below 1.8 million Kenya shillings. Below 1.8 million Kenya shillings. Very nice. Very clean, very clean.